everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As many of you might already know, I have initiated a chapter-wise tutorial series for your CAPM exam, aligning with the new 2023 syllabus. If you haven't checked it out yet, I highly recommend watching my previous video. This will provide you with a clear understanding of the context of our discussion here. I have already delved into Domain 1, which focuses on project management, fundamentals, and core concepts. I have successfully completed the initial task within this domain, demonstrating an understanding of the various project life cycles and processes. In the previous video, I also demonstrated how to download the current syllabus from the PMI website, among other valuable insights. So if you haven't caught the video yet, I encourage you to view it first before diving into this one. In today's video, I'm going to start with the task 2 in your syllabus, which is demonstrate an understanding of project management planning. As you can see on the screen, the subpoints that comes under this task. And the very first topic is describe the purpose and importance of cost, quality, risk, schedule, etc. So without doing any delay, let's get started. Before we dive into today's content, I just wanted to take a quick moment to say sorry if my voice sounds a bit different today. I have been dealing with a bit of cough and cold, so please bear with me throughout this video. I'll do my best to make sure it doesn't affect the quality of the content that I am sharing. Your understanding is truly appreciated, and let's jump right in. Planning is very important to ensure the success of your project. During planning, we try to discuss all the concerns or risks that could come in the middle of the project. We discuss on the topics like how much this project will cost, what we will be doing, do we need to procure something from the outside, who are the stakeholders for this project, when the project will be completed, etc. Does not matter what is the approach of the project, like it's adaptive or it's predictive. We try to plan the scope of the project, the cost, the schedule, resources, everything in advance. It's just a normal practice. Have you ever heard the term the triple constraint in project management? This has been given many names like the project management triangle, iron triangle, or project triangle. The triple constraint states that the success of the project is impacted by its budget, deadline, and features. As a project manager, you can trade between these constraints. However, changing the constraint of one means that the other two will be affected to some extent. Like some people say, pick two. This is because it is very difficult to do a good job on all three of these critical aspects of any project. If we highly control cost, the quality of the finished project may suffer. Likewise, if a project becomes a schedule driven, cost may escalate or quality may decline. In order to excel in all three criteria, extensive planning, scheduling, and quality control measures must be implemented. Now, how will you define the quality? In project management, the quality is simply what the customers or stakeholders needs from the project deliverables. In PMBOK, they define the quality as the totality of characteristics of an entity that bear on its ability to satisfy stated or implied needs. In quality processes, there are quality planning. We have to define what is the quality for that project. Then the second one is quality assurance. We always see if we are on the right track. It is prevention driven, means we don't want mistakes to enter the project. We want to do the work correctly the first time. And then comes the quality control. Quality control is once the work has been done. We make sure we are delivering the right output. When we find the mistakes in our work that we have done, we have a corrective action. We have to redo the work or fix the problem. Quality control is inspection driven. Now, there is a widely used term in quality management known as cost of quality. Project managers are involved with managing and controlling quality processes all the time while running their projects. But what about the cost of achieving acceptable quality or the price you pay for not stopping poor quality from reaching a customer? This concept is known as the cost of quality. and is crucial to understand for the PMP or CAPM exam and beyond. Cost of quality refers to cost incurred while ensuring high quality deliverables and cost resulting from imperfect deliverables. To put it in another way, cost of quality measures the total cost required to prevent, identify, and deal with the results of defects in deliverables. In project management, the cost of quality is often confused with the cost of using high grade materials. Actually, it deals with all the costs related to quality and quality issues. Calculating the cost of quality can help you take informed decisions as you balance investing in quality during the project and dealing with the future cost of failing to prevent or catch errors. These are known as cost of conformance and cost of non-conformance, which is also known as cost of good quality and cost of bad quality. Let's talk about cost of conformance or cost of good quality. Whatever you spend to prevent and appraise defects to meet project quality requirements falls under the cost of conformance. Prevention costs are an example of conformance costs that involve quality assurance, preventing poor quality from ever happening. This includes acquiring and maintaining equipment, planning, training your team, and keeping good documentation. It can also include having the right people for the job, doing good research, and more. Appraisal costs include any resources used to identify or fix errors in deliverables during the project. This type of conformance costs involve catching or correcting mistakes when they happen, since errors can't always be prevented. These costs may be incurred during inspection, field testing, and other quality control activities. It's right in the name. Conformance to the established specifications will inevitably cost you some money. However, it will usually cost much less than fixing them after. Cost of non-conformance, repairing, reworking, refunding, and customer service for faulty deliverables are all costly activities. Specifically, these are the cost of non-conformance or the cost of poor quality in project management. When your deliverables do not conform to project quality requirements, fixing their poor quality will cost you. There are two types of non-conformance cost: internal and external failure cost. Internal failure costs occur when you identify defects before they reach the client or end user. These are similar to appraisal cost in that the project team catches the mistakes. The difference: internal failure costs deal specifically with completed deliverables that fail to reach quality standards. This can include costs such as repairing defects in deliverables, reworking deliverables or their components, wasted time and effort, rejecting or scrapping deliverables or their components. External failure costs refer to the cost of remedying mistakes after your deliverables has already reached the client or end user. Usually, the client or the end user is the one who identifies the defects, someone external to the project team. Examples of this external failure cost include refunding customers, providing warranty services, or recalling products, providing customer service and handling complaints, failing to meet legal or regulatory requirements, losing your reputation, profits, or future business. Cost of non-conformance are incurred when your deliverables are not up to the standard. The lower the quality, the higher your cost of non-conformance. The higher the quality, the more you can save on cost of non-conformance. I hope this video will be useful for you. Let me know if you have any doubts or questions. I'll be happy to help you out. And now, as we always say, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe, as it really motivates us seeing the increased number of subscribers every single day. And if you have any suggestions or feedback, let us know in the comments. And yes, if you have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share the video with your friends or colleagues. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye and take care.